Odette here. Welcome back to today's video. Hope you guys are doing super well today. In today's video, we are going to be doing the monthly cut crease collab with the beautiful Fab 10 ladies. All of their links will be in the description box for you guys to go check them out. My face is already half prepped. Eyebrows are done. Like I said, I'm trying to lay the edges down. And the eyeshadow is half done. And I'm using this Mystic Pastels palette from NYX. Okay, these are the colors right here, and I don't think the name of the colors is on here as well. So I did use the light creamy color in the corner as a base, and this pinky color right there that I'm pointing at is just in my eyebrows. And the colors are not bad. They're really sweet colors. I think you probably have 2 or 3 matte colors in here. And I'm just going to use this purple color to kind of start building something in here. So we're just going to get started right now because I don't want the video to be too long. I just want to see how this look is going to turn out today because you guys know that I'm really not good at makeup, seriously. So we're just going to start building up the crease right here. I am going to use this EXI foundation as a concealer to do a little cut crease. And please guys, just keep in mind, I am not very good at this. I am still practicing, okay? So I'm going to use this beautiful light purple shade right there for that cut crease and pack that in. I always feel that one of my cut creases is never even. It's always up and down. But like I said, not perfect. I am still learning the trick of the trade. Okay. This is my eyeliner from Revolution. Okay, so let me get my eyelashes on, finish up the look, and I'm going to come back in a second. Okay, my lovelies, I am back with the finished look. I pulled the hair down, finished my face off camera, and I got dressed, okay? So this is a final look of the makeup. This is the monthly cut crease collab with the beautiful Fab 10 ladies. And I hope you guys really like it. Everything I use on my face is going to be below for you guys. I use this NYX Mystic Petals palette. Lovely, lovely palette. Everything is so nice and subtle, okay? I don't like to do too many things with my face. I don't like to fuss too much with makeup and all of that. You guys know this stuff. And keep in mind, I am not good at doing cut creases, so please hold your judgments, okay? Okay, thank you. Anyway guys, so yeah, this doesn't look too bad, and the lipstick is also from NYX. I'm going to leave the name of this below for you guys. It's really, really nice, and it has like a sponge tip applicator right there. You just have to squeeze and apply. And this is a matte lipstick. Very, very, very nice. This is what the tip of it looks like. You just have to squeeze it and then the product comes out. Very nice. I don't have my glasses on, so I can't tell you what the name of this lipstick is, but it's going to be in the description box for you guys. On that note, this is the end of the video. Hope you guys enjoy. Thank you guys so much for watching today. Thank you for clicking on this video. Thumbs up, share, subscribe if you wish. My name is Odette. Thank you for watching. I shall see you next time. Toodles!